Hello student, here we discuss about rough degradation, in which we will discuss about glucose. In previous video we discussed about mannose. Now we will discuss about glucose. Glucose and mannose both are aldohexose, but mannose is C2 epimer of glucose. We discuss about mannose. Now we will discuss about glucose. Okay, and in this case, in rough degradation, it shortens the carbon chain. And how, I will tell you. Carbon chain of the parent sugar parent sugar. Okay, see here, this is CHO, CHOH, CHOH, CHOH means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times CHOH is there. So only one time OH odd man out means it is on the left, right, others are on the right side. Remember this only. So this is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We need not to worry, because up to fourth carbon it will remain the same. Only at first carbon and second carbon there is reaction going on. How? So when this glucose react with bromine water. So what will happen? Bromine water, being a mild oxidizing agent, oxidizes only CHO group to carboxylic group. Okay, so this is C1 carbon. Earlier it was aldehyde group, and now it is carboxylic group is there. Now what will happen? And rest will remain the same. Okay, and now in this case, when S2O2 and Fe2SO4 whole thrice catalyst is there, free radical mechanism. We are not discussing mechanism here. So just I am telling you that you shouldn't remember that it is free radical mechanism. And in this case, on oxidation of glucose to gluconic acid, only one first carbon is oxidized, we will get gluconic acid. And by the reaction of hydrogen peroxide in presence of Fe3 positive, sometimes they can give you, say you Fe3 positive. Okay, Fe3 positive, iron 3 positive. It can be any salt. Free radical mechanism will be there, and now strange behavior will see that this CO2 will be kicked out, carbon dioxide is kicked out. So see, C1 carbon is kicked out, and this C2 carbon is oxidized to CHO. Okay, now it has become first carbon. So one carbon lost, so it is having lower carbon. 5. Say we started from 6 carbon, now we are having 5 carbon only. So the glucose converted into arabinose. Clear? So here in one step I had written, although two steps takes place, glucose or mannose both will form the same compound, that is arabinose. Bromine water, S2O2 and Fe2SO4 whole thrice, we will get aldopentose. So rough degradation based on Fenton reagent. In Fenton reagent, catalyst Fe2 positive is used, and in rough degradation Fe3 positive we are using. That is why we can say it is Fenton like reaction. Okay, and the aldohexose converted into aldopentose. It's shortened